The Most Attractive Shower Designs explores the art of creating stunning and functional shower spaces that elevate the bathroom into a personal retreat. With an emphasis on aesthetics and practicality, modern shower designs integrate style, comfort, and innovation to create luxurious experiences. Imagine stepping into a spacious walk-in shower, framed by sleek glass panels that open up the space and invite natural light in. The use of high-quality materials, such as marble or textured tiles, not only enhances visual appeal but also adds a touch of sophistication. Stylish fixtures, like rainfall showerheads and handheld sprays, offer both functionality and a spa-like experience, turning your daily routine into a moment of relaxation. Creativity shines in unique shower shapes and layouts. For instance, corner showers with geometric designs maximize space efficiency while adding a modern flair. Features like built-in benches or integrated shelving for toiletries demonstrate thoughtful design that enhances convenience and organization. Natural elements are also